Hey folks, a typical late July night across the valley tonight. Temperatures hanging out in the upper 70s right now, 80s rather. 87 in Rio Grande City, 85 in McAllen. Whole bunch of 83s on the map, and then about 84 in Port Isabel. The dew points, boy, they have come back up. Some places had dew points in the 60s earlier today, but now they're in the 70s, and even Brownsville sitting at a very sticky dew point of 80. We'll put a kind of an average on the Muggy meter at 74, but a lot of places higher than that, so we're pegging the needle on dew points in some places, and that means it is sticky out there tonight. Winds are still a little gusty as well. 24 McAllen, 17 in Weslaco, 25 in Rio Grande City. Overnight tonight, temperatures bottom out close to 80 across the area, so a very warm and muggy night. We have certainly rebounded from our temporary cool down last week, and tomorrow's high is 100 plus along and west of I-69C. 90s pretty much every place else. The island should top out around 89. Normal highs 97. We'll be above that tomorrow at 99. A little closer to 98 on Wednesday, and then Thursday maybe a couple degrees cooler courtesy of more clouds and perhaps an isolated shower. First 105 Doppler network quiet today, nothing out there, and probably quiet tonight. During the daytime tomorrow, this model hints that there could be a sea breeze shower. Try to fire up. I think that's going to be tough to find. Should be a mainly dry day across the valley. I think Wednesday a slightly better chance for something on the sea breeze, just a little more moisture. A little cooler in the upper atmosphere, and that allows for things to lift a little better, so you end up with a slightly better chance for a shower. Then Thursday, a better chance yet. But even at that, we're going from nothing tomorrow to about a 10% chance or less on Wednesday, and then 20% on Thursday. So not a big shot at rain this week, but we can't rule out at least spotty showers around the region. Cloud cover hadn't been much of that either today. We zoom out a little bit, and there's been showers and thunderstorms in northeast Texas, southeast Texas, out in the western part of the state. But down here where we are, it's been very quiet today. Likely will stay that way tomorrow. This is the upper atmosphere. There's the big ridge, and that's a hot thing when that's hanging out there. West Texas, North Texas, all very hot. By tomorrow, it gives us more of a northeasterly flow aloft and almost an easterly flow by the middle of the week, and that allows that moisture to sneak in there. Again, this thing kind of shrinks a little bit. The high does Thursday as well, so the upper levels cool off just a little bit. So things that suggest that spotty showers can't be ruled out for the second half of the week. Gulf of Mexico's quiet. The Caribbean, we have one system that has a 10% chance of developing the next 5 days, somewhere in the northwest Bahamas, but only 10%. In the Atlantic, another system, a better chance, 20%. That's out in Hurricane Alley. The development would probably be way over here, so that is one that certainly bears watch in the long range. At the coast, winds out of the southeast, 5 to 15, a moderate chop. No advisories, moderate risk of rip currents, 623 and 825 are the tides tomorrow. So your first 1-5 AccuWeather the forecast for tonight, 79, mainly clear tomorrow, back up to 99, mostly sunny, a very warm day. We stay in the upper 90s, but we do bring in that spotty shower chance for Thursday, and over the weekend a slight chance as well. That's your updated first 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.